How to add a user to Watchlist on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the user to Watchlist on Etoro. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro app and this is the news feed, the home page. Now let's say you want to add this person to your watch list. For example, first thing you have to click on those three dots here and then click add user to watch list. Now he's added to my watch list. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.